Hello my beautiful friend, welcome back to Otokucha Life. I am Mana and on this channel, we learn how to be the most beautiful and elegant goddess version of ourselves by discovering true beauty, elegance and health, and mastering the art of slow living because life is the gift. Today, I am very excited to share with you one of my favorite raw vegan recipes, beautiful green hummus salad, and which is also oil-free. This recipe is perfect for a green salad, but also this is great for dipping, dressings, and soup as well. It's super healthy and delicious, and I have been wanting to share it with you for a long time. I came up with this recipe when I was creating the oil-free raw vegan hummus, which you can find it on my website. And I started experimenting with adding more greens. Then it became one of my favorites. It's very fulfilling, tastes like heaven, and it's incredibly healthy. So let's make it together. For today's recipe, for the dough, you will only need a blender. And here is what you will need. 1 cup of dried chickpeas. You can soak them for about 8 hours. This is the before and after picture. I usually wake up around 5 a.m. and soak them so they are ready for my lunch around 2 p.m. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice or lemon, salt, dried basil, pepper, and your favorite greens. In this recipe, I got kale, spinach, lettuce, and parsley. And water to cover the chickpeas in the blender. That's it. This is the simplest version, and you can arrange it as you like. If you want to, you can add raw sesame, tahini, or garlic to make it more traditional hummus. First, rinse the soaked chickpeas. Then put all the ingredients into a blender and blend until smooth. At first, it takes some time to mix, but keep mixing with the spatula. Then it will be like this. It will turn into a delicious, creamy hummus. And voila! Here is super easy and satisfying green hummus. I actually don't usually count ingredients exactly, especially with raw vegan recipes because they are so customizable. You can adjust the texture and flavor to what works best for you. This green hummus is perfect for dipping, hummus salads, dressings for zucchini noodles, or even as a base for soups if you add more water. Personally, I love this thick texture, so I enjoy this as a big salad with my steamed potatoes. It is so delicious and fulfilling. Please try it and let me know how you enjoyed it. And I think you might be wondering, Mana, you are raw vegan, but do you eat steamed potatoes? Yes, my beautiful friend, from my personal experience, of course, I really truly love being raw vegan, but I occasionally have cooked food, which is for me only steamed potatoes, steamed sweet potatoes, or pumpkins. What I truly love about raw vegan lifestyle is that every raw vegan people has their own style and approach. It's all about what works the best for you. And there is no judgment. As long as you're eating living foods, fruits, vegetables, nuts and seeds, things found in nature, and having them as close to their original form as possible, you are nourishing yourself beautifully. The raw vegan diet and lifestyle is the how humans are designed to eat and live on this planet. This is the ultimate truth. You can learn more about why I eat steamed potatoes and see what I eat in a day as a raw vegan in future videos, so please stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. The raw vegan lifestyle is so creative and limitless. I would love to hear from you about your personalized version of this recipe. If you would like to have more inspirations for raw vegan recipes or any vegan recipes, you can check out this playlist or my website. Some recipes are great for transitioning to raw vegan as well. All the recipes are customizable and your body will thank you. Let's keep bringing in the highest vibration, beauty and elegance from what we eat and shine the brightest. And enjoy and savor the abundant, beautiful gifts from the universe. Thank you so much for watching. I always appreciate you and love you. Until next time, stay happy and healthy and have a gorgeous day, my goddess friend.